and Development. You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. Forum Asia would like to thank the representative of the Secretary General on internally displaced persons for his comprehensive report. While we take note of the focus of the representative of the Secretary General on the devastation caused by the natural disasters, we still remain deeply concerned at the increasing displacement caused by armed conflicts. For instance, the failed signing of the Memorandum of Agreement on Ancestral Domain between the Government of the Philippines and the Moro Islamic Liberation Front last year resulted to new rounds of skirmishes that have affected the entire of central Mindanao, while conflict resulted to more displacement of civilian population, especially children, women, and the elderly. This led to the disruption of community life, people's economic activities, as well as the education of children. We would like to draw the attention of the representative to the latest fact-finding mission result of the Philippine Human Rights Group. For this respect, we urge the Philippine government to properly incorporate the UN guiding principles on internal displacement and relevant international human rights law into national laws and policies, and immediately work on durable solutions to prevent further internal displacement, protect the right of the IDPs, including the creation of a safe environment that would be economically sustainable. We also urge the government to resume peace negotiations and ensure genuine effort in resolving the conflict situation in Mindanao, while ensuring the compliance of all concerned parties to the international humanitarian and human rights norms. Lastly, we would like to encourage the representative of the Secretary General to look into the situation of IDPs in Mindanao, not only focusing on the rights of persons displaced by natural disasters. As a follow-up to his country visit, which was conducted in November 2002, with a view to assessing the implementation of his previous recommendations to the government of the Philippines and addressing the urgent needs of IDPs in the conflict areas of Mindanao. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank